If you're anything like me and love your coffee routine in the mornings when you're camping, you are going to love keeping your coffee kit organised in the coffee kit bag from Blacksmith Camping Supplies. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hey folks, it's Ben from Snowy's here today with another great product from Blacksmith Camping Supplies. This is their coffee kit bag. This is designed with the idea that you can store a coffee maker, like an AeroPress or a YKK coffee maker in here with your grinds and the accessories and mugs that you need, so that it's kind of a grab and go coffee kit while you're camping. But it's also just a great general storage bag when you're camping. Is made with durable materials. It's got grab handles on it so you can put it in an easy place to get to in the back of your car. Grab it, no delays getting your caffeine hit in the morning. This is what it looks like. Weighs about 210 grams, 31 centimeters in length or width, however you want to look at it, 19 centimeters in depth and about 14 centimeters in height. Now, this is made with a 370 GSM or 10 ounce poly cotton Australian canvas, 65% polyester, 35% cotton. There's a nylon, 38 millimeter nylon webbing, just a grab handle at one end there, not on the other, and another grab handle on the top for carrying. It's all put together with a core spun poly cotton thread, so it's got a core of polyester with a cotton outer on it for strength and longevity. And it's been put together with strength in mind, in that there is a single piece on the bottom here with only stitching that run up the corners here and a second piece on the top, so it's made to be tough. As we go inside the bag, these zips are a YKK coil zipper that runs around 3 sides of the bag and just to the rear, so that the lid sits right open when you need to access what's inside. And one other thing I'll show you with the fabrics is this little panel of marine carpet that sits in the bottom here, just for a bit of protection for the products as they're sitting in there while it's in the back of the car and moving. So just having a look inside the bag here, you can see it just looks like a standard storage cell here at the moment, so you could just use it to store whatever you want, tools or whatever you like. But it's made with the idea that it would be a coffee kit bag. So Blacksmith have added this little canvas divider in here. This is the same 370 GSM canvas that they put in here. And the idea of that is that you can keep your mugs on the side here separate from your coffee maker. So it's just keeping things secure, but you pack it however you like. I'm going to show you how I would pack it when I go camping. I use the AeroPress coffee maker when I go. I find it's durable, easy to transport and easy to clean. Now, it does come with a lot of accessories like this funnel, for example. I don't take that when I go camping, but I want to show you today that it can fit easily inside the bag here. So I tuck this in the top here, that fits neatly at one end. I grab the little coffee filter holder here that the AeroPress has. Once again, I don't take this when I go camping, but you can fit it in there. I just take a handful of those filters with me when I go. That's the base that goes on the bottom of the AeroPress. I can stick that in the top there. Got the scoop and the stirrer that fits in there. I would just take a spoon myself, but it all fits in there neatly. Now, I'm the only one that drinks coffee in my family, so I only need one mug. I'll tuck that in the back there, keep it separate from this. It's all starting to feel nice and snug. And I'll grab a big bag of, this is a pre-ground coffee. I can tuck that in there next to the mug, and we can see that's all fitting nice and neat in there. It's not bouncing around too much. I could probably even use a ceramic mug if I like, and it's gonna stay nice and secure in there. I can zip that up, and it all makes for a nice, neat, easy to handle package with grab handles on the end, so I can chuck it in the back of the car, easy to grab out for my coffee fix in the morning. Now, alternatives on how you might be able to pack it. Obviously, if you don't have an AeroPress and you've got, say, a YKK coffee maker, that makes for a lot more space inside here. I've got heaps of room in there to store extra mugs, or if I like coffee whitener or other things. Alternatively, if I've got 2 people in the family who drink coffee, I've got another large mug here. There's probably about another 450ml mug that can fit in the back here next to that mug as well. Fits nice and snugly. I can zip that up, and that makes a nice, neat, durable little package once again that's easy to chuck in the back of the car. Grab handles to pull it out nice and quickly for a coffee hit in the morning or for a roadside stop. I reckon this is a great little bit of kit, especially for your coffee gear, but just about any storage really when you go camping. It's certainly something that will get a lot of use in my camping kit. It's going to have my coffee maker in it, and it's going to be one of the first things I pack in my car when I'm getting ready for a trip. You can grab them online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel. We send you all of our latest and greatest information, or check out some of our other coffee makers like these ones down here.